I'm out here with this twin rigger. Kind of overcast day out. Water isn't bad, but it isn't good. It'll certainly let me operate this radio-controlled model boat. Got the props on here. Opt for the lock nuts instead. Let's get her batteried up, taped down, and see what she's all about. This thing's going to run well. The water is decent.
Receiver battery 5.9 volt.
That is a lot of shutdown. Get it straight and let her eat. Whoa. barely shut down in time before the end. If you know those. I know I'm tripping with the camera.
Receiver battery 5.9.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this GPS. He's definitely cooking. Whoa! Barely made it. Barely shut down before the freaking grass. Springer in.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water, shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit.
It's got no turn pin on it, so it's not easy to straighten it out. Weird.
It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Oh yeah, that's a saw rigger.
Receiver battery 5.9.
That is a lot of shutdown. Get it straight and let her eat. Whoa, she barely shut down in time before the end. Tripping with the camera.
Receiver battery 5.9.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this GPS. She's definitely whoa! Barely made it. Barely shut down before the freaking grass. Bring her in. That was looking like a good line.
Receiver battery
That's not a good
5.9
line.
volt.
Okay, we got a battery out. The Scorpion Twin Rigger Twigger is on our website, in stock and ready to rock. This is one unique boat that you want to add to your collection. First of all, there's no carbon fiber riggers like this out there, and to have a twin, fully set up, double barreled, ready to rock, you've got yourself something here. You've got yourself a really nice piece. The beauty of this rigger is it can actually be separated and made into two different riggers. That's right, you can make two riggers out of this thing, and they're very strong because they have big booms as well. Order up.